Hi, welcome to RJB's Career Support. Today's video we are going to see an important aspect, how to decide whether one to proceed the higher studies or to join organizations. Because I am seeing a lot of dilemma and confusion among the young graduates who is going to complete this academic year. Because the campus interviews are under progress and many of us are interested to grab the offer, good offer. However, some dilemma is there inside their mind, whether are we missing the higher education. So how to decide this aspect? This is a very crucial and very critical in anyone's life, particularly the young students who wants to pursue the higher studies. So these are all the things, queries keep coming. So I thought I can release the video to answer the queries. So I will tell you the 4 simple points. You can make it as a checklist. If your answer is yes for all 4 points, then you can take the decision accordingly. Okay. So before I go to this program, may I request you to subscribe this YouTube channel and like, share to your friends. Okay, now let's see this program. Before you select or before you decided to go for higher studies, first please ensure you should have somewhat financially strong. Many times what happened, the higher education, higher studies requires a good amount of money. So please ensure you have your family background should have somewhat financially strong. Otherwise, it is very difficult to proceed further studies. The next point, checklist point is you should have a self-interest to study higher education. Many times what happens, the higher studies are influenced by the friends or the relatives or many factors coming into the picture to influence you. Do not get influenced to any factor. You analyze yourself. Are you interested really to study further? If you interested to study further, yes, you can put a yes in your checklist. Third, the institution which you have selected for higher studies, it should be a reputed one. Okay, do not select the institution just for sake of certificate. So you should carefully select the institution for higher education. What is their reputation in the industrial circle? Are they really giving a good course or just issuing a certificate? Please remember, higher education involves not only the certificates, it involves in-depth knowledge and understanding of the particular subjects. So the institution here is very vital role and critical. So don't select the institute which is near because it is near to your house or something. It should really reputed one so that the value of the post graduation will be very effective. And finally, the course, before you selecting the particular course, please you speak to the candidates who have already completed the course and try to get the feedback about the value of the course and what is the respect which they are getting in the industrial worlds. It purely depends on person to person. Many people will give the positive feedback, some people will give the negative feedback. However, it is very essential for you to get the feedback from the students who have completed the course previously. Okay, these are the 4 points which you have to record, and all the answer should be yes. I told you, first, you should be financially somewhat strong. The second, you should have a self-interest to study further. Third, the institution which you have selected should be very reputed one. Okay. Fourth, feedback from the students who have already finished that particular course. You may study a domestic or international. You can go to foreign countries. It's purely up to your decision. But the post-graduation, the moment you decide the post-graduation, you should see the value of the post-graduation course and understand the subjects in depth. Because most of the organization, before for their job, minimum qualification is only a degree or diploma, depending on the job position, not post-graduation. Post-graduation may be required as a minimum qualification in some institute, like research and development, like that. But most of the industries, the post-graduation is not a minimum criteria to enter the job market. So please be careful and decide whether to go for higher studies or job. So thank you for watching this program, and I request you to share your feedback. Thank you so much. Namaste. Take care.